We got a candle and we got a candle and a
popcorn.
bag of popcorn. We're gonna let it on fire.
How long? 5 minutes?
Yeah, 5 minutes. Should be good enough.
Oh shit, what about the little candle? Stuff sparking in there.
Cool beans.
Look at sparking.
Where?
That little black spot on the plate. Spinny thing.
Yeah, I see it.
Blow my load.
This is gay.
Oh, you gotta wait for the shit.
Can we stick something else interesting in there instead of this bullshit?
No.
Oh, never mind.
People will be like, oh my god, popcorn's popping. Proof that it's microwave.
Oh, dude, we got the bag bag.
Those just burn and poof, catch fire. Should we get the fire extinguisher just in case?
What the hell would the fire extinguisher do?
Are you gonna move your computer just in case on your phone and shit?
Cool beans.
What if it catches fire?
Awesome. Insurance.
Why is it getting all steamy?
I don't know.
Smells like popcorn.
Wonder why.
Should have pushed the popcorn button.
No,
Does it say beverage?
I don't know, dude.
Cock? Oh, cook.
Frozen pizza and cook. Can you just say cock?
Ah.
Get ready to run outside just in case, though. So, open up the door quick. I hear a boom.
Pop. I think it's done. Just gotta start burning.
If it's
What's outside gonna do?
one thing is smoke, dude. We're running outside.
It's just gonna burn the milk.
I'd laugh. Bill, I smell burnt popcorn. Oh, dude, instant smoke.
Oh, it's all going outside. Just popcorn. Put it in. Let's start.
I'm not starting something smoking.